Hi everybody, today I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about gardening in Animal Crossing Pocket Camp. When you unlock gardening, Lloyd will give you 20 orange tulip seeds, 20 red tulip seeds, 50 flower food, 1 yellow tulip, and 1 potted red tulip. You can buy flowers seeds from Lloyd for 80 bells each. You can buy white and yellow dandelions. You can buy red and white roses and red and orange tulips and red and yellow pansies. If you want to unlock more flower colors, you have to cross-pollinate different flowers. The growth time is different for common and rare flowers. Common flowers such as orange tulips and white roses take 3 hours to fully bloom. And rare flowers such as pink tulips and coral pansies will take 4 hours to fully bloom. You can speed up this progress using flower food. You can obtain flower food in login awards and event awards and so on. You can also trade event flowers with Lloyd to get flower food. Flower food speeds up the growth of a flower by 30 minutes. Lloyd has a service that can speed up a flower's growth by 1 hour. That service also costs 1 leaf ticket. It is also important to water your flowers. If you don't water your flowers for 1 hour, soil will dry out. And 2 hours after that, the flower will wilt. And wilting flowers will pause the growing. They won't grow if they are wilted. However, common flowers take only 3 hours to fully bloom, so they do not need watering to fully bloom. And fully bloomed flowers do not need to be watered. When the flower is fully bloomed, you can harvest it. If you harvest the flower, you get the flower item. You can use that item to trade with Lloyd for useful items or cross-pollinate other flowers. After you harvest a flower, you can use it to cross-pollinate. All you need to do is tap on another fully bloomed flower of the same species and click cross-pollinate. And in return, you'll get a seed, either a new color or an old color. Cross-pollination can sometimes fail. I mean, you won't get any colored seed at all. You won't get a seed at all. Hope this video was helpful. If I forgot to mention anything, please leave it in the comments below. Oh yeah, forgot something. Please subscribe and put a like. See you next time. Bye.